How to download and use Roblox Autoclicker. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'll demonstrate on how to download and use the speediest Roblox Autoclicker of 2024. If you're tired of continuously clicking your mouse in Roblox games such as simulators and tycoons and prefer automated clicking to go AFK and level up faster, then follow along with the tutorial. On this page, you will find the most popular and widely used autoclicker for the Roblox. Rest assured, after scanning it myself multiple times, I can confirm that it is virus-free. SourceForge is a reputable platform with nearly 1 million recent downloads of this autoclicker, making it safe and reliable. Click the green download button and save the file, and then locate it in your browser downloads and open Autoclicker 3.0 to access the Autoclicker dashboard. Inside a Roblox clicking simulator, to set the autoclicker to its maximum speed, adjust the milliseconds value to 1 and then press the F6 key to initiate the auto-clicking rapidly. Press F6 again to stop, and by following the steps, you can now possess the fastest autoclicker for Roblox. For mobile Roblox players, check out the video for the auto-clicking on Android or the iOS devices. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.